Originally known as Clawdbot, Moltbot became popular because it can open apps, manage messages, schedule meetings, and even book flights. Instead of explaining how to do a task, it tries to complete the task for you. Moltbot is an open-source AI assistant that runs on your own computer or server. It's not a polished consumer product. It's more like an experiment that shows where personal AI is heading, and that's exactly why people are paying attention. At its core, Moltbot is a self-hosted AI agent. You install it on a machine you control. Once it's running, you connect it to messaging apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, or Slack. From there, you can send instructions in plain language, things like check my inbox, schedule my meetings, organize my messages. Moltbot reads the request, breaks it into steps, and then interacts with apps and system tools to carry it out. Most AI tools stop at advice. Moltbot moves into execution. The project was originally called Clawdbot because it used Anthropic's Claude model. After trademark concerns were raised, the name was changed to Moltbot. The new name represents transformation, like shedding an old shell and becoming something new. Well, why did Moltbot go viral? BQA's early users shared videos of Moltbot cleaning inboxes, managing calendars, and handling repetitive digital work without constant supervision. That kind of demonstration spreads fast, especially among developers. Moltbot runs locally. That means your data stays on your machine unless you choose otherwise. For people worried about privacy, that's a big deal. It also supports multiple AI models, so users can decide how powerful or lightweight they want the system to be. And because it's open source, developers can see exactly how it works, modify it, and build on top of it. Moltbot is designed to behave like a digital assistant that remembers things, plans tasks, and executes them. It can book flights, schedule meetings, manage files, send messages, and automate workflows across apps. It doesn't need a fancy dashboard. You interact with it through chat apps you already use. It also has memory. Moltbot remembers past instructions and preferences. Over time, it adapts to how you work. It can even send reminders, summaries, and alerts without waiting for a prompt. To do its job, Moltbot needs permissions, access to files, access to apps, sometimes access to system commands. And if something goes wrong, the consequences are real. If Moltbot misunderstands an instruction, it doesn't just give a wrong answer, it can take a wrong action. Security experts have raised concerns about prompt injection. That's when a carefully crafted message tricks an AI into doing something harmful. If Moltbot is connected to messaging apps, a malicious message could trigger unintended actions without the user noticing. There's also the danger of overpermission. Giving an AI assistant full access to your system means one mistake can cause serious damage, deleting files, leaking data, or sending sensitive information.